Hello everyone, welcome to New Discovery TV, your #1 YouTube channel that gives you authentic updates on the new technology and invention out there. In today's video, we'll be diving into some of the coolest, game-changing Amazon kitchen gadgets that promise to make your cooking experience in 2025 not only stress-free but also a whole lot more fun and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, these gadgets will take your cooking to the next level. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our interesting videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Philips Soup Maker. The Philips Soup Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify soup preparation. Featuring multiple preset programs, it can create smooth soups, chunky soups, compotes, or smoothies in just 18 to 25 minutes. Its powerful blending and heating functions ensure consistent results with minimal effort required from the user. With a stainless steel body and compact design, it's durable and easy to store. Its intuitive interface makes it user-friendly, while the automated cleaning mode adds convenience. The large capacity, typically around 1.2 liters, is ideal for families or batch cooking. Beyond soups, it accommodates a variety of recipes, including cold drinks and purees. The Philips Soup Maker is perfect for those seeking healthy, homemade meals without the hassle, offering a time-efficient and mess-free cooking experience. It's a must-have for busy lifestyles. Number 2. Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is a convenient and efficient appliance for baking fresh, homemade bread. Its compact design saves counter space, making it ideal for small kitchens. With 12 pre-programmed settings, it can prepare a variety of bread types, including gluten-free options, as well as doughs, cakes, and jams. The machine offers 3 crust shades and loaf sizes, allowing customization to suit your preferences. Its user-friendly LCD display and delay start timer enable hassle-free operation, while the removable non-stick bread pan ensures easy cleaning. The Cuisinart Bread Maker's compact size does not compromise performance, providing consistent results every time. Perfect for novice and seasoned bakers alike, it simplifies the bread-making process for fresh, homemade goodness. Number 3. Revolution Panini Press. The Revolution Panini Press is a powerful and efficient kitchen appliance designed to create perfectly toasted sandwiches and more. Its even heating technology ensures consistent results, while adjustable temperature and cooking time controls provide versatility for various recipes. The non-stick cooking plates make cleanup easy, and the floating hinge accommodates different sandwich thicknesses. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Whether crafting classic paninis, grilling meats, or warming wraps, this press delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Ideal for quick meals or creative culinary experiments, the Revolution Panini Press brings convenience and flavor to your kitchen routine. Number 4. Verreaux Swiss S1. The Verreaux Swiss S1 is a premium kitchen strainer designed for efficiency, durability, and versatility. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel with a heat-insulated polyamide handle, it ensures safe and comfortable use. Its compact and lightweight design enables it to attach securely to a variety of pots, pans, and bowls, making it ideal for draining liquids from pasta, vegetables, and more. The S1's innovative design replaces traditional bulky sieves, saving up to 90% of storage space in your kitchen. It is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy and hassle-free. This Swiss-engineered tool combines functionality with a sleek and modern aesthetic, making it not only practical but also stylish. Perfect for both home cooks and professionals, the Verreaux Swiss S1 strainer offers a convenient solution for everyday cooking tasks. It embodies Swiss precision and quality, ensuring reliability and performance for years to come. Number 5. Shelfy. This gadget is a smart refrigerator device designed to extend the freshness of your food and reduce waste. Utilizing innovative photocatalytic technology, it eliminates up to 98% of bacteria and reduces odors by up to 80%, thereby slowing the ripening process of fruits and vegetables. This compact device can be placed anywhere in the fridge and operates on a rechargeable battery lasting up to 4 weeks. Shelfy connects to the Vitsi Hub app, allowing users to monitor fridge temperature, track door openings, and receive maintenance reminders. The app also offers tips on optimal food storage. With a washable filter, Shelfy is an eco-friendly solution to maintaining a healthier refrigerator environment. Number 6. Joseph CupboardStore. The Joseph CupboardStore Undershelf Storage 1.3L Container Set is an innovative solution designed to maximize kitchen cupboard space by utilizing the often overlooked area beneath shelves. This set includes 3 1.3-liter clear plastic containers that hang from a sturdy rail, which attaches to your existing shelf using strong 3M VHB adhesive tape, ensuring a secure and tool-free installation. Each container features an airtight lid with an easy pull tab, keeping your dry foods fresh while allowing for effortless access. The design is suitable for kitchen units with a minimum internal size of W36x-D20 and a maximum shelf thickness of 2 centimeters. This undershelf storage system is ideal for organizing a variety of dry foods, helping to declutter your kitchen and make the most of your available space. Number 7. StepRite. StepRite offers a range of anti-fatigue kitchen mats designed to enhance comfort during prolonged standing. Their mats feature memory foam cushioning with thickness options of 0.4 inches and 0.8 inches, providing support to reduce strain on feet and joints. Available in various sizes, these mats cater to different kitchen spaces. The non-slip, waterproof design ensures safety and easy maintenance, making them a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 8. Kitsure Dish Racks. Kitsure offers a variety of dish drying racks on Amazon.com, designed to accommodate different kitchen needs. Their space-saving models are ideal for compact kitchens, measuring 12 inches in width, 15 inches in length, and 5 inches in height. Despite their small footprint, these racks can hold up to 10 plates, along with bowls, cups, and utensils. They feature a built-in spout for efficient water drainage into the sink. For larger kitchens, Kitsure provides extendable racks that adjust from 19.2 to 26.7 inches in length, offering ample drying space. All racks are constructed from premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. As of January 2025, select Kitsure dish racks are available for under $25, making them an affordable choice for enhancing kitchen organization. Number 9. Manual Fresh Meat Slicer. The Oikfa Multifunctional Manual Fresh Meat Slicer is designed for home cooks seeking precision in meat preparation. This manual slicer allows users to cut fresh meats, such as beef, pork, and lamb, into slices or strips with adjustable thickness settings of 2 or 4 millimeters. It is important to note that this slicer is not suitable for frozen or deli meats. The device can produce up to 18 slices in a single operation, enhancing efficiency in meal preparation. Constructed from durable materials, the slicer ensures longevity and ease of maintenance. As of January 2025, the Oikfa Multifunctional Manual Fresh Meat Slicer is available on Amazon.com for $39.99. Number 10. Vegetable Chopper Slicer Pro. The Enleber Vegetable Chopper Slicer Pro is a versatile kitchen tool designed to streamline meal preparation. It features 7 interchangeable blades, including 2 sizes of chopping blades and 5 additional blades for various slicing and dicing needs. This allows users to achieve different cuts, such as julienne, strips, and cubes, with ease. The chopper is equipped with a built-in container to collect chopped vegetables, minimizing mess and simplifying cleanup. Constructed from durable, BPA-free materials, it ensures safety and longevity. The compact design makes it suitable for kitchens with limited space. As of January 2025, the Enleber Vegetable Chopper Slicer Pro is available on Amazon.com for $29.99. Number 11. Tumyig Oil Sprayer. The Tumyig Oil Sprayer is a handy kitchen tool designed to make cooking and food preparation healthier and more efficient. With its sleek, compact design, it allows for precise control over the amount of oil used, ensuring a light, even coating on food without excess fat. Ideal for cooking, grilling, or even salad dressings. This sprayer promotes healthier eating by reducing oil consumption. It's easy to refill, and its non-aerosol design eliminates the need for harmful propellants. Made from durable, food-grade materials, the Tumyig Oil Sprayer is eco-friendly and reusable, making it a sustainable choice. Whether you're air frying, baking, or sautéing, it provides a convenient and mess-free way to add oil. Number 12. Pancake Cupcakes Dispenser. The FillTouch 2 PCS Pancake Cupcakes Dispenser is a practical tool for making perfectly portioned pancakes, cupcakes, and other batter-based treats. Designed for precision, It allows you to control the amount of batter dispensed, ensuring consistent results every time. The squeezable bottle design simplifies pouring, reducing mess and waste. Each set includes 2 dispensers, making it ideal for batch cooking or preparing multiple recipes at once. Made from durable, food-safe plastic, these dispensers are easy to clean and refill. Perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers, the Fill Touch dispenser helps create evenly sized, professional-looking treats with minimal effort. Number 13. Digital Kitchen Timer. The Verreaux Digital Kitchen Timer is an essential tool for any cooking enthusiast, offering precise time tracking for a variety of kitchen tasks. With its large, easy-to-read LCD display, the timer ensures you can clearly see the countdown from a distance, preventing overcooking or burning food. It features a simple, user-friendly interface with buttons for setting multiple timers simultaneously, ideal for multitasking in the kitchen. The timer can be easily clipped or mounted, making it versatile and convenient. Additionally, it includes a loud alarm to alert you when time is up. Compact and durable, the Verreaux Digital Kitchen Timer is a must-have for every home chef. Number 14. Ceramic Spoon Rest. The Elle Tassi Ceramic Spoon Rest is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, designed to keep your stove top clean while cooking. Made from high-quality ceramic, it offers a durable and heat-resistant surface, perfect for holding spoons, ladles, and other utensils while you prepare meals. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, adding both functionality and elegance. The spoon rest prevents spills and stains by collecting drips, keeping your counters and stovetop tidy. Easy to clean, it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. Its compact size ensures it won't take up much space, making it an ideal solution for any kitchen setup. Number 15. Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats. The Homergy Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats are designed to provide comfort and support for those who spend long hours standing while cooking or working in the kitchen. Made from high-quality, durable materials, these mats feature a thick foam core that helps alleviate pressure on the feet, knees, and back, reducing fatigue. The textured, non-slip surface ensures stability, preventing slips and accidents, even when the floor is wet. Available in various sizes and colors, the mats complement any kitchen decor while offering practical functionality. Easy to clean and maintain, they are perfect for use near the sink, stove, or countertops. With their ergonomic design, Homergy mats promote comfort and enhance your kitchen experience. Number 16. Vegetable Cleaner Brush. The Gangan Max Vegetable Cleaner Brush is an efficient tool designed to clean fruits and vegetables thoroughly, removing dirt, pesticides, and residue with ease. Featuring soft, flexible bristles, it gently scrubs produce without damaging delicate skins. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuvering while cleaning. This brush is ideal for various vegetables, fruits, and root crops, ensuring a more hygienic preparation process. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and it's simple to rinse after use. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, the Gangan Max Vegetable Cleaner Brush is both eco-friendly and safe for food. A must-have for maintaining clean, healthy produce in the kitchen. Number 17. Dish Drying Mat. A silicone dish drying mat is a practical and versatile kitchen accessory designed to help dry dishes and prevent water damage to countertops. Made from food-grade silicone, it is heat-resistant, durable, and flexible. Its non-slip surface ensures that dishes stay in place while drying. Silicone mats are lightweight and easy to clean, often being dishwasher safe. The material also helps absorb excess water, preventing spills or water pooling on the countertop. These mats are available in various sizes and colors, easily fitting under drying racks or placed directly on the countertop. Silicone dish drying mats are an eco-friendly alternative to traditional cloth towels and drying pads, providing long-lasting performance and convenience in the kitchen. They are also easy to roll up for storage when not in use. Number 18. Bamboo Cutting Board. A 3-way bamboo cutting board is a multifunctional kitchen tool designed to provide multiple cutting surfaces in one board. Typically, it features 3 separate sections or grooves, allowing for easy organization of ingredients during food preparation. Made from sustainable bamboo, this cutting board is eco-friendly, durable, and gentle on knives, helping to maintain their sharpness. The natural bamboo material is resistant to bacteria and odors, ensuring a hygienic surface for food preparation. Some three-way boards also come with juice grooves along the edges to catch excess liquids, preventing messes. Lightweight yet sturdy, these cutting boards are easy to maintain and clean, often requiring only mild soap and water. Their versatility makes them a popular choice for home cooks and chefs alike. Number 19. French Press Coffee Maker. The Utopia Kitchen French Press Coffee Maker is a sleek and efficient tool for brewing rich, full-bodied coffee. Made with high-quality stainless steel and a durable heat-resistant glass carafe, it offers both style and function. The double-layered stainless steel design helps retain heat, keeping coffee hot for longer periods. The French press uses a simple yet effective plunger system to extract coffee oils, resulting in a robust and flavorful brew. Its 34-ounce capacity allows for making multiple cups of coffee at once, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. The Utopia Kitchen French Press is easy to clean, as its parts are removable and dishwasher safe. A great choice for coffee enthusiasts, it delivers a cafe-quality experience at home. Number 20. DUSENHO Electric Juicer. This powerful and efficient kitchen appliance is designed to extract fresh juice with ease. Featuring a high-performance motor and durable stainless steel parts, this juicer can quickly process fruits and vegetables, offering a smooth and nutrient-packed drink. The user-friendly design includes an easy-to-operate one-button control, allowing for quick start and stop operations. It comes with a large capacity juice container and pulp collector, minimizing the need for frequent emptying. The juicer is designed with safety features, such as non-slip feet for stability during use. Its compact, sleek design ensures it fits comfortably in any kitchen. Easy to clean and maintain, the DUSENHO electric juicer is an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient, high-quality juicer for everyday use. Number 21. Zelarca Hot Pot Electric. The Zelarca Hot Pot Electric is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed for making hot pot meals at home. With an adjustable temperature control, it allows users to easily set the desired heat level for cooking a variety of ingredients, from meats and vegetables to noodles and seafood. The large, non-stick cooking surface ensures even heat distribution, while the dual-side design allows for different broths to be cooked simultaneously. Ideal for family meals or small gatherings, it accommodates multiple servings, making it a perfect choice for social dining experiences. The Zelarca Hot Pot Electric is easy to clean and maintain, thanks to its detachable parts and non-stick coating. Its modern design and efficient performance make it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 22. Moss & Stone Smoothie Blender. This powerful and efficient appliance designed to make quick and easy smoothies, shakes, and other blended beverages. Equipped with a high-speed motor and durable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly crushes ice, blends fruits, and vegetables to create smooth, consistent textures. The blender features multiple speed settings and a pulse function for greater control over the blending process. Its 8-cup capacity is perfect for making large batches, and the user-friendly design includes a sturdy, ergonomic handle and a spill-proof lid for easy pouring. The Moss & Stone Smoothie Blender is easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts for added convenience. Its sleek and compact design makes it a great addition to any kitchen for daily use. Number 23. NuWave Pro Plus Oven. This gadget is a versatile countertop cooking appliance designed to cook food quickly and evenly using infrared, convection, and halogen heat. It offers adjustable temperature controls and cooking modes, making it ideal for baking, roasting, grilling, and even dehydrating. The oven features a large cooking capacity, allowing for meals to be prepared in a single batch, and its digital controls offer precise temperature settings. Its energy-efficient design reduces cooking time compared to conventional ovens. The NuWave Pro Plus is easy to clean, thanks to its non-stick surface and removable parts. It's a popular choice for busy individuals seeking a quick and convenient way to prepare healthy, delicious meals.